To use Cash App in India, you need to first understand that Cash App is currently not available in India. However, a similar app called PhonePe or Paytm can be used for similar purposes. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use a similar Cash App in India. First, download and install the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Sign Up to create an account. You will need to provide your mobile number and verify it using an OTP sent to your number. After verification, you will be asked to set up a 4-digit PIN or fingerprint ID for secure login. Next, you need to link your bank account to the app by providing your account details. You can then add money to your wallet using your debit or credit card. Net banking, or UPI. To send money, simply enter the recipient's mobile number or UPI ID and the amount you want to send. You can also use the app to pay bills, recharge your mobile, and make purchases at online stores. To receive money, you can share your UPI ID with the sender, and the money will be credited to your account instantly. It is essential to keep your account and transaction details safe by using strong passwords and keeping your phone secure. Regularly check your account balance and transaction history to ensure there are no suspicious activities. Overall, using a Cash App in India is a convenient and secure way to make transactions. And by following these steps, you can start using it today.